I had such an incredible time making this video, like it's insane. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to Mo Does DIYs. I'm a brand new DIYer, and so I'm so glad that you're stopping by today. If you missed some of my recent DIYs, then go check them out when you get time. I'll link them in the description. So let's get right to it. Last night I had so much fun. It was such a good vibe. So let's make these $6 wrought iron DIY clocks using Dollar Tree products, and that clock is from Target Dollar Spot. It was only $5 and it's amazing. And tomorrow I will be sharing my Target Dollar Spot haul and my Myers haul with my giveaway winner video. And so this is what you do not want to do. Don't be a dumb blonde like me. Scissors will not work on this. Like, look, I never claimed to be smart, you guys. And so I use these wire cutter thingies. I think that's what they're called. I'm not too sure. And so I just trimmed them up to whatever shape and size that I was feeling like. You could do anything with these. The possibilities are endless. And then I just cleaned them up afterwards, cleaned the edges up as much as I could. A really helpful tip for me was to lay it out and to see kind of how I wanted it to look. And my husband even sat down, he was helping me. We had so much fun doing this last night. It was such a good vibe. It was just really fun. We watched the Impractical Jokers movie, and like, if you've been following me the last few weeks, you know that I'm silly and I love to laugh. So that was the perfect movie to watch. And so I did end up painting this in my black chalk paint because I wanted to do a rustic look to it. Not a good idea, you guys. Don't do that. I don't know. Just leave it black because it looks beautiful as is. I also want to share real quick these candles from the Dollar Tree, this lemon one. They're freaking amazing. They smell incredible. My entire living room and kitchen smelled like lemon. And then this berry one is probably my favorite one too. Okay, I promise we're going to get back to the DIY, but look at those lights. Look at the vibe. It was so incredible last night. We had so much fun and I just love it. And so I took my carbon black chalk paint. That is the color, the name of it is called carbon, but it's basically just black chalk paint. And then I painted it on here. So this would be the time, if you're going to paint this in like a blue or, you know, a white or whatever color, this would be the time that you would want to paint these. And so I was just so excited to share this idea because it's so amazing. It's so easy. It takes a couple hours to do, but it was so worth it because it's gorgeous. And I just love it. Okay, I can't even believe this deal I'm going to share right now. This was only 69 cents from Myers, and I got a few of these. And they're like 2 inches thick. Like, they're really big and chunky, and they're gorgeous. They're regularly $7, and I got it for 69 cents. That's cheaper than a Dollar Tree product. Look how amazing this is. And so I just took my smoked pearl, which is a grayish kind of a chalk paint, and I painted the inside. Then I was just waiting for it to dry overnight, and so I decided to take my white chalk paint and my grays and kind of go over this wrought iron, and I don't like it. With anything else it would look amazing, but with that I just don't like it. So anyways, this part, I took one of those cardboards you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I used an old bucket, like an old Dollar Tree bucket, to make a perfect circle using an X-Acto knife. And then I just trimmed it up with some scissors afterwards, and yeah, it's perfect. I painted my circle in my black chalk paint, and then I was ready to move on to my stencils for my plaque while I was waiting for everything to kind of dry and settle. Okay, this is hilarious. I have to share this. I was standing there for about 2 minutes going, why is it not working? What the heck? Brian, it's not working. You probably should plug it in. I swear, you guys, I never claimed to be smart, okay? So I made this guy for my coffee cup that I found from the Dollar Tree. And I absolutely love him. He's so cute. It's like a fox, but Brian thinks it's a cat. I think it's a fox. And so I just printed this out in about 30 seconds and put it on my cup. Oh my gosh, isn't this adorable? I almost can't even handle it. I love it. And so I was ready to print out my thing for my plaque. And so I chose this thing that says, "You're like really pretty." I love it. Another fun idea I'd like to share is you could take these Dollar Tree stencil letters and put this on here and say love or something. You know what I mean? Like, that would be gorgeous. I'm literally so in love with this, and I'm so in love with the Cricut Maker. I'm a huge fan. I don't know what I did all these years with that one. And so let's kind of just move on to finishing the wrought iron thing, because, you know, we ain't got all day here. Not trying to bore you guys to sleep here. So finishing up the clock, I painted it in the black because I just wasn't liking that look I did. And that's okay, you know, because I'm new here and I'm still practicing and learning things, and so much better. And so all I did was hot glue it all together. To finish this up, I just used a combination of E6000 glue and hot glue. And then I put it on one piece at a time. And then I put something heavy on it. In this case, I used some like antifreeze or something. I don't even know what I used, but it needed to be heavy. And so it kind of held it in place for 20 minutes. And that was it. I hot glued it all together pretty much, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm head over heels in love with it, and it only cost me $6. It did take a few hours, but anything worth it in life, you know, is gonna take time. So, you know, I do like to do fast DIYs, but I also love to once in a while throw in one that is a little bit more complicated, and so I hope you enjoyed this. And if you recreate one, then I'm gonna have a Instagram soon, so stay tuned for that. I'll let you know when I drop my new Instagram. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm having an incredible day. I love all the new subscribers here, and I'm really thankful for you guys. So yeah, stick around, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for my giveaway winner video and my huge, ginormous haul. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.